Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. This morning I'm down at the cabin cooking myself a little breakfast first, but today we will start running the electric, so stay tuned for that. Appreciate you guys watching. All right, it's time. I'm going to set my receptacle boxes. So I made me a little template for how high I want the boxes to go, and then another template for the wall thickness of what I'm going to use so I can how far they're going to come out. All right, how these templates work is that sets the height of your box that you're going to put in, and this will be my wall thickness, and set that here to bring it out so that's a pretty good flush match. Hold that in place. That's how it's done. All right, now that we got all the electric run inside, we mounted the 30 amp box on the outside, and this runs straight inside. So this is what we run the generator off of. So I'm gonna set this grounding rod and get this finished up. I hit a rock. Uh-oh. There's a lot of rock over here. Must be a big rock. You need me to hold it? No, I got it. Must be a big, like a, yeah. Oh, like this?
Yep. I can hold it for you.
I'll get it. I found it.
Sure.
No. That good? That was a struggle. Took 3 separate ones. I kept hitting rock, so Dad had an idea, drive it in there at an angle, and that's what we did. So we'll get the rest of it hooked up. All right, got my ground. I'm gonna run through. There it is. All right, it's grounded. Alrighty, we got all of the electric ran. Got the panel box put in, put all the outlet boxes in, ran all the wire. So all that is done. All along through there, it's the kitchen area, bathroom's wired up, all the lights. Both lofts have wire ran. So there it is. We got that run. Sometime this week, Dad said he's gonna come down and he's gonna go ahead and install the sockets. So he will get those installed. So the next time you see this, hopefully we'll be doing some insulation real soon. Already got it, so now that the wiring's in, we got to get the insulation in. So if you haven't already, subscribe, like, leave me a comment, and thank you guys very much for watching. I'll see you guys on the next one.